Hey everybody, Pruitt, Intercoastal Mortgage. Just wanted to answer a question that I had from a customer the other day, and it really is a fact. It's a frequently asked question. And the question is, how often will we be updated on the loan process, during the loan process? So my team has a system that we use. So before you go under contract, we follow up every single week on Wednesday to check in and see how the week prior went. Did you see any homes? Has anything changed? Can we get you updated numbers for what it is that you're looking for? Questions come up, comments get made by friends, family. So it's just an opportunity for us to stay in contact with you while you're out there looking for a home. So that's before the contract. When we go under contract, we have a whole process that we follow. So we do Tuesday status updates. And this is really big because one of the biggest complaints from most people that have done a mortgage, and I think the statistic is 60% of the people out there say they had a bad real estate experience, and we will not let that happen. So on Tuesdays, we do what's called a status update. So before noon, we call you as the buyer, we call your agent, and we call the listing agent to keep everybody on the same page and let them know where we stand on the loan. So this is a great opportunity that we have to connect with you during the process, answer any questions that you have, handle any concerns that you have, give you updates on the file, ask you for additional documents, and then we also do the same thing so your agent is fully aware of where we are during the process. Now you'll find that most people do not do this. So this is very unique, something that we do all the time. And then obviously when there's a milestone change, if an appraisal comes in or the loan gets underwritten and approved, we're communicating with you throughout the process, okay? So those are the once a week communication that we stick to, that we do every single time, is a Tuesday, and then we communicate throughout the process. Myself, my team, the processor is reaching out, asking you for documents. So a lot of communication, heavy on communication here at our team at Intercoastal Mortgage. So if there's anything else that I can do for you, let me know, and that is our communication process. Just to let you know, so we communicate, we have an app that we communicate through, so if an appraisal comes in, you're updated via app. There's an email that goes out, so we are communicating it at all levels, phone, email, and text. Okay guys, have a good one, take care.